All right, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another episode of The Box Breakers here at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on 24th Street in Osborne. Stop in and see him, give him a call, hit him up on Facebook. We've got special guest star in the studio with us today. It's Mr. Joe.
Hey!
How you doing, Joe?
Doing good, man.
What do we got new today here at the card shop?
This just came out. It's the 2018-19 Court Kings.
Nice. Okay, we've got at least one box. This is a potential second box picked out. And who we looking for in here? Luka, obviously.
Ayton, Trae Young. But you could also get like Bill Russell, some of the bigger Hall of Famer names.
And you get one pack.
One pack, that's it.
And these are going for $100?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
10 cards per pack, but you get 2 autographs. Last year they did 1 autograph, 1 jersey. And they're moving more towards just putting autos in.
Wow. One pack.
This is definitely a breaker product.
Let's see how we do.
They're really cool cards, too.
All
Deandre
right.
Fox, I like him from the Sacramento Kings.
First one. Deandre Fox.
TJ Warren.
Local guy.
Yeah, but look, these are great for autographs. You know how you like to chase autographs?
Yeah, they got that texture to them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
So that'd be a cool one to get signed.
I haven't seen TJ Warren. I got a bunch of his cards, and I haven't seen him at any of the warm-ups. What was that? Delano Gallinari?
Yeah, it's hard to see.
From the
Gallinari,
Clippers.
Yeah, from the Clippers.
Never heard of him. Derrick Rose. Does he even still play? Is he done?
Yeah, he's with Minnesota.
Oh, he's still playing?
Still playing.
Wow. Let's see. Derrick Rose.
It's Jaren Jackson Jr. That's his rookie. He's actually pretty good. He's a really good point guard.
So this is a portrait. So this one's like different than the other ones, I guess?
Yeah. Might want to flip it. That way you don't get your autos there.
Too late.
Well, you can still flip it because there's 2 autos. Because the next one's going to be an auto. I'm just telling you. There you go.
Amari Spillman from the Atlanta Hawks.
Okay.
And this one's numbered 16 of 25. That's pretty cool. So there's a numbered hit. This one was numbered also. 46 of 199. Ooh, can you say that name?
Hamidou.
Delalio.
Yeah. What you said. It's a rookie.
Rookie card.
There you go.
Aboko, he signed the other night for me.
Yeah. You don't sign this card. That'd be a nice card to get signed.
Heck yeah. Real nice. All right, and these must be our 2 hits. So we got, what was that, Kyrie Thomas?
Yep. Number to 25.
Number 9 of 25.
On-card autograph.
Oh, there you go. From the Pistons.
KT.
That's pretty cool. And then we have
Definitely
number 113 of 149. Oh, this guy?
Mm-hmm.
Detlef Shrimp.
Yep. Remember him from back in the day?
I remember him, but man, I was never a big
Seattle.
fan.
Yeah.
That's the name I haven't heard in a while.
We wasted our good autograph on you, Detlef. All right, we got to do a second box. We can't. I don't know. I'm not very happy with that box. What do you think?
Yeah,
Couple numbered
we could do
cards.
better. Let's pull a Luka out of this one.
Come on, Luka. Damian Lillard.
Yep.
I got him to sign when they were in town.
Yeah, he's a tough signature, too.
Tony Parker. Everybody loves Tony Parker.
The Greek
Giannis, another guy, another tough auto that I got when he was in town.
freak. Yeah. The auto might be coming up soon after this one, just so you know.
Vince Carter.
Utah wannabe?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I think those are the autographs there.
Okay, so we'll put
them in the back. There you go.
Okay, there's Want to Anabe. Kemba Walker.
That one might be numbered.
Nope. No
yeah,
number.
it's right in the corner.
Oh.
No, on the other side, in the back, in the corner over there.
What? How am I missing? Oh my gosh, I missed that totally.
Yeah, they're tough to see. They're kind of like paintings.
94 of 99.
Oh, I spotted Luka.
I see Luka. Rookie card.
Luka Doncic.
There he is. That's the one we were looking for. It doesn't look like it's numbered unless I'm missing it. I'll put Luka back there. Shai, how do you say that one?
Alexander.
Just say Alexander?
Just say Alexander.
All right, and then here's our first hit, number 3 of 49.
It's a rookie. He's pretty good.
Jaren Jackson Jr. on card.
Look at that. That's a good card. Might
Yeah.
want to send that one in and get graded.
That's nice.
Michael Adams.
Number 20 of 149.
I remember him.
So it looks like they're putting in one new card and one old card, maybe.
Yeah.
For the hits.
Hey, we said we wanted a Luka. We got one though.
Exactly.
That's pretty good.
So let's see what we got here. So we got a couple numbered cards. We got the Luka rookie. Did you already send in our PSA cards?
Not yet.
We might have to add that one in. We'll have Joe look at it under the microscope. We got numbered Jaren Jackson Jr., number 46 of 199. Amari Spillman, numbered to 25. That's nice. And then we got the brushstrokes, Michael Adams. Sticker auto. Mr. Shrimp, sticker auto. Jaren Jackson Jr. on card. And Kyrie Thomas on card. So that is your brand new 2018-2019 Court Kings from Panini.
Yes.
Basketball box.
NBA cards.
Hobby box opening here at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. We'll see you next time here on the Box Breakers. We're out. Thanks, Joe.